G'day guys, Paul Cooper with the Nutrien Cattle Market Report for the 7th of September. Nutrien yarded 260 steers, 220 heifers, a very good run of 100 preg-tested cows and 20 mixed for a total of 590 head. Overall the quality was pretty fair on last sale, with some of the weaners starting to drain out a little bit. That last rain event's probably taken the gloss off their coat, but overall pretty happy with the quality. The sale was very well supported with some big store orders from the west and also the south. Heifers, very best quality heifers were fully firm, I'd say. Sale quotes, older steers, your number orts, made $1,100 to a top of $1,480. Steer weaners, number ones, $900 to a top of $1,470. Older heifers, number orts, $1,020 to $1,540. And heifer weaners, number ones, made from $680 to a top of $1,100. Standout today, guys, was our preg-tested cows. We had a good run of cows, about 100 odd of them, and they made from $1,300 to a top of $1,840. It was a great result and a very good run of cows here today. Damien Fredericks had a very good draft of grey Brahman light feeder steers in here today from Kelsey Creek. They realised $1,410. Riley Grazing from Kamala sent a very good draft of weaners to us today. The first pen underneath James, grey steer calves, they made $1,400. The black calves right next door realised $1,470, and the next three pens then made $1,350. Great result for Lloyd and the family. Thank you. Another great result here today was this very good pen of Droughtmaster calves of Sharrod Grazing. Very good calves, heaps of quality in them, and made $1,310 for the medium to light weights. These are some of the advertised preg-tested cows. These two pens of grey Brahman cows come into County Collingvale Pastoral Company from Dingo Beach. Preg-tested to grey Brahman and Brengus bulls, and they realised $1,750. A very good result. Another run of these very good preg-tested cows of Stephen Del Normans from Bowen. These three pens of creamy cows realised $1,840, and then we had three pens of grey cows straight under James, and the grey cows made $1,750. All scanned in calf to Liscar Droughtmaster bulls. Very good cattle, received good competition. Another good consignment of cattle today in the aged heifer section. These heifers here come in from Mount Spencer Pastoral at Mount Spencer at Nebo. Very good pen of creamy heifers straight under you. They realised it topped out at $1,540, and they're number 8 heifers. And then the next three pens along here made $1,410. Surplus heifers to the requirements, sold very well. Right. In the heifer weaner section today, there's 4 very good pens of composite heifers here sent in from LMZ Holdings at Mount Dukes. Very good heifers. The leader of the heifers made $1,110, and the rest of the heifers here made about $1,000. They've averaged $1,010 right through the whole draft of about 40. They were bought by one purchaser, and he's taken them home. He'll grow them out and join them to bulls a bit later on in the year. Our next sale at Sarina will be on the 12th of October. So if you've got any cattle you're thinking about selling, consider us at Nutrien. Thanks.